Creating plus pattern without algorithm. Do this, take solve Rubik's cube, then do upward, downward, rotate, then do upward, downward, rotate, upward, downward, rotate, then upward, downward, rotate again, upward, downward, rotate, upward, downward. Then zigzag pattern get formed on 4 faces and 2 top faces are plain. I have applied 6 times this upward downward movement on these faces. Now take this L shape. There are such a right bottom L shape. Such a 2 faces are there with the right bottom L shape like this, 1 and 2. Take any 2 of them, keep like this. Now apply same upward, downward, rotate, 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 upward, downward. After applying 6 times, plus pattern get formed on 4 faces and top and bottom face are plain. Now apply the same pattern to solve the Rubik's cube. Upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward. Then zigzag pattern get formed. Applying this 6 times on plus pattern, zigzag pattern gets formed. Now you know that diagonal, 2 diagonals are connecting. Take that piece, right bottom corner, then apply the same upward, downward, rotate, 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 upward, downward. Then Rubik's cube gets solved.